I'm Matt Gelka in Washington, where the fate of a Maryland man mistakenly deported to El Salvador is still up in the air after the Supreme Court ruled that the government has to try and get him back. The Trump administration has to take steps to return Kilmar Abrego Garcia from a mega prison in El Salvador. That's the order from the Supreme Court following weeks of legal drama after Abrego Garcia was deported following an arrest in Maryland. The court stopped short of ordering Abrego Garcia's immediate return, only that the government needs to facilitate it.
It doesn't necessarily mean that the person will immediately be returned.
George Washington law professor Paul Schiff-Berman says the case is now back in the hands of the district court that originally ordered Abrego Garcia's return.
We will see now what steps the government will take to try to ensure the return, or whether the government will drag its feet.
Abrego Garcia's deportation has been described as an administrative error by the Trump Justice Department. They still maintain he is a member of the violent gang MS-13, a group recently designated as a terrorist organization.
We very much appreciate President Bukele and El Salvador's cooperation in the repatriation of El Salvadorian gang members who the previous administration allowed to infiltrate our country.
In a status hearing Friday afternoon, District Court Judge Paula Xinis said she'd be demanding daily updates from the government on the steps that are being taken to return Abrego Garcia.
There's no reason that this case needed to become a national issue. There's no reason that this case needed to go to the United States Supreme Court. And it's been the government that's done that at every step of the way.
A judge granted Abrego Garcia protective status from being deported back to El Salvador in 2019. An immigration judge acknowledged at the time he was a member of MS-13 based on a police report on his clothing and information from a confidential informant. His family and attorneys have denied the allegation, pointing to his clean criminal record. El Salvador's president is set to visit the White House next week and meet with President Trump, touting their partnership as the debate over Abrego Garcia's future continues. Reporting in Washington, I'm Matt Gelka.